Hi everyone. Just going live on Insta because I will not be able to then
I'm getting a PCR test.
share
I'm getting.
share the video on that. So hi Ansh, hi Jai Shri Krishna, and hi Pudar. Um, Live. Okay, I'll have to mention that it's about Samir Wankhede. Just give me a second. Lots of work and no time. Hi, Lifeline. So, there was a lot of noise about whatever's happening in Samir Wankhede and Aryan, and people have mixed opinions about him. Even I do, kind of. But, hell yeah. So, I thought, why not do a numerology and find out what he's all about? Hi, Neha. Hi, Amit. So, and for me, numerology is the best bet to find out about what a person is all about. I just need to know their name. And Samir's name is Samir, not Dayanand, but Nyan Dev. It's not even Nyan Deo, it's Nyan Dev Wankhede, Wankhede. Hi, everyone. And um, his date of birth is 14/12/1979. I checked the birth certificate. It is so weird. Who is this person who's made this birth certificate? Because you're supposed to have a time on the birth certificate, and which is not there. So anyway, I needed the time just to check his astrology chart, and eventually I googled it, and some astrologer had done his chart. So I just copied the chart from there. I didn't see the video, but I did copy the chart, and I forgot to make my own chart. Never mind. Okay. So, whatever I say, okay, I'll say based on that astrology chart, but that is later. This is more about um Samir Dhyanand Wankhede, Dhyan Dev, Nyan Dev. So it's Dnyandev, because each and every alphabet, and whether your father's name is there in between or not, in your birth certificate, it matters a lot. So in Samir's birth certificate, it's only Samir, and Nyandev Wankhede is what he is, but he calls himself only Samir Wankhede. So I've not gone into all those details. Otherwise, I'd have to make a chart of Samir and then Samir Nyandev Wankhede and then Samir Wankhede. I've not gotten into all that detail because eventually I believe in his school or college time, he must have used Samir Nyandev Wankhede. Okay. So um, now, according to his date of birth, his month, his year, and the total of the life path of the birth date is 52, Nyandev. No, it's not Gyandev, it's Nyandev. It's D, hi Shweta, hi Dahlia. It's Dnyandev. It's written on the birth certificate on the side. Uh, that Malik Fellow has just refused to acknowledge the asterisk and the name. It's not DAY, it's DY, DNY, DNYANDEV. So each and every alphabet is necessary, it's important, it's where is that alphabet placed. So a small spelling mistake in your birth certificate can actually change your destiny. And that's a fact. This is what we had been told when we were doing the numerology course by our teacher. The colors are so different on Instagram and YouTube. Never mind. So, each and every alphabet and the placement of the alphabet, and whether your father's name is there or not, whether your name on the, how is it that your name is spelled on the birth certificate. Now, a lot of times what happens is people just use the name they've been using in school, which has the father's name, which has the surname. And good evening, Siddha. Thank you. And they have absolutely no idea what it's written on the birth certificate. There's been times with a lot of my clients where when they actually came to me for a reading and I asked them to check their birth certificate, and they did that, they realized that there was a spelling mistake. Some of them realized that the parents had changed the name totally. And, so it makes a big difference. The reason I'm explaining this to you is that it becomes very important what Samir Nyandev Wankhede is all about. So when you see that this name, whatever is happening in his life based on this name, whether it is true or not. So the accuracy in numerology is based upon not just the date of birth, but also the spellings of the name and the way it is written. Of course, then there is signature, because how you sign, I've not seen his signature. Oh, I forgot to do that. Okay, I've not seen his signature, but it depends also on what is happening in his current life, how he signs, and what is the spellings that he writes in his signature. Now, the total of his date of birth comes to 52, which is a 7. Hello, everyone on Instagram. And then we come to his name. So his name, there are a few numbers which are missing in his name. One is 3 and one is 6. It's very weird that a 3 and a 6 both are missing. Okay, so, and both these numbers are made up for in his chart elsewhere. There are a lot of 3s. So this is the reason that he is an introvert. So first of all, he is a number 7 life path. So, and he is, his attitude is number 8, which is all about making it big in life, making ambitious. He does also have a couple of 1s, quite a few 1s, which makes him ambitious, which makes him a little bit spendthrift. And so he doesn't think before spending money. He if he feels he needs to do it for his family, he does it. So when the numbers like 3 and 6 are missing in your chart, missing in your name, it means that you are hesitant about expressing yourself. And also, although for him, family is very important, because there is a 6 elsewhere, family is very important. But for him, that is not the end all and be all. He would love to have the kind of family or life with his family as he's always dreamt. Now, somewhere I get the feeling, when I was doing this chart, I got the feeling that he was not very happy with the way things have been, maybe as a child. And he's been very independent, but he's been very independent as a child, but at the age of 3, 4, 4, 5, 8, 5, 4. So at the age of 4, some shift has happened. 4, some kind of shift has happened, maybe in their home or maybe in their life. which has probably shaken a certain kind of, कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आपके पैरों के नीचे से जमीन निकल जाती है. It shakes your belief system, it shakes your stability, it kind of you feel you feel what is the word, you feel unstable because of some small issue that may have happened mentally, emotionally. You kind of feel that you've been uprooted. You've been uprooted from where in life you are. And yes, trust me, even at the age of 3 and 4, it can make a big difference. Yes. Right. So there have been a lot of changes that have been happening. He's always been very hardworking and a very ambitious person. But although he's an introvert, as popularly said, he loves to enjoy life. He loves it. He would enjoy life in his own manner. He reads a lot. He is very analytical. He is very observant. He is very analytical and observant. He likes to read and he loves to do his research. So, and also when I say his attitude, now when his attitude comes to 8, it basically means that he likes to work with the government and work with the government sector. So no wonder he is in the police. So earlier, I believe he was in the police and he was in charge of the airport security, if I'm not wrong. And his father was in the police. So his dream, probably since he was a child, has always been to make it big. Maybe his father couldn't for whatever reason. Maybe his father was a very I don't know, I've not done it about his father, but maybe he was a very honest person who couldn't really come very high up in life because of his honesty. And that somewhere hurt Samir as a child, and he wanted to prove it to the world that in spite of being, honest, you can make it big in this country, in a department like the police or the agencies. That is, yes, the numbers are there, but that's a feeling I get, and I would listen to my feeling because that is the feeling that helps me with my tarot and numerology. Whether it is tarot, whether it is numerology or astrology, understand that intuition is very important, and you need to go by your gut instinct. And this is what my gut instinct has been saying since morning. I've been looking at this chart and when I was doing it. Now, एक होता है ना रसिया इंसान जिसे जिंदगी का हर रस enjoy करने का शौक है. He is like that. So he has had 2 marriages, but definitely he does get attracted to beauty. He is emotional, and he is that kind who will take it, if somebody is misbehaving or if somebody is insulting, थोड़ा सा बर्दाश्त करेगा, लेकिन उसकी एक हद है. बर्दाश्त करेगा, इमोशनल है, बहुत इमोशनल है. He likes to have a social life as well. He may not talk a lot, he may not meet a lot of people and blah blah, but he is a social person. He likes to be a social person. In fact, मैं ये देख रही थी कि before, like he was younger, maybe till when he was in college, and he must have been very popular with his family and friends. They must have really loved having him around because he has a wit. His sense of humor is amazing. वो इंसान है जो चुप रहता है, लेकिन जब बोलता है ना, मैं कुछ जानती हूँ ऐसे लोगों को, वो चुप रहते हैं, लेकिन आधे घंटे बाद एक लाइन बोलेंगे और सबको मतलब it'll be above everybody else. वो एक that one sentence will kill it. You know, it'll make everybody go quiet because it'll have not only a lot of sense, it'll have humor, and it'll make logical sense. Now, expressing himself, expressing what is in his heart is difficult. No wonder you don't see him on social media. I think he should be on social media, although they say that he's not. Maybe, thank you. Maybe his team is, maybe his wife handles it for him, or maybe somebody in his family handles it for him. But the kind of numbers he has to be on social media, I think. And if he's not, well, that's probably because he knows that if he is on social media and the kind of comments that come, the kind of work he does and the kind of comments that are bound to come, he will end up feeling frustrated because he won't be able to express himself. And if he does, he will lash out to these people. He will lash out. Uska gussa, his anger is bad. He's a person who will keep it inside for years and years. And he will take his revenge in a manner which will be legal, and the other person will have no, uska tod nahi hoga. Other person will not be able to do anything about it. So, was an IRS and was in customs. Okay. Yes, but I think I also read that he was in charge of the security at the airport. So, I don't know. And now, wow. Although he would love to enjoy life, he would love to travel, he loves traveling. But he probably also controls himself a lot, maybe because of his work. But yes, he's definitely very hardworking. He can be a little lazy, but in the department that he is in the service that he is in, it doesn't allow him to be lazy. He can, okay, he definitely has a lot of growth in life that will come to him naturally. Pani rakna bhul gayi. Okay, so he definitely has a lot of growth in life, which will come to him naturally, and he needs to now he is at a point in when he is around 40, 43, 20, 21, 22. So he is at the age of 43. His birthday is coming up next month. So at the age of 43 to 7. So this is right now the point which is going to be a turning point in his life, which will affect his family. Hi, Shobhit Rai. It will affect his family, and I think he already has a child, right? I won't be surprised if he has one more child, or somebody in his family expires. I don't think he is planning another child. His wife is an actress, and I wish they get a child, because if they don't, Then somebody in his family may expire. 22, 20, 21, 22. Yes, somebody in his, somebody, no, I feel somebody in his family is going to expire. Ouch. Okay. And although I do get the feeling who that's going to be, but I don't want to talk about it. Oh, coming to his life in danger. Yes, his life is in danger, but he has a long life. So there's nothing to worry about, but that doesn't mean that you stop praying for him. Please pray for him. He is our Messiah when it comes to justice for Sushant. And unless and until all this is handled, although, you know, I'll tell you what, honestly speaking, I've been reading, I've been listening to the videos. Hello, namaste. I've been listening to what a lot of people are saying and the reports and all. Yes, Aryan's chat had messages about cocaine and about drugs and everything. But at that point in time, there was nothing found on him, number one. Number two, he had not consumed anything. Number three, according to law, if there is any drugs found on you for your personal consumption, a little bit, I mean. Yes, I know he has a child from previous marriage. Thank you, beginner. Hi. And apparently, I shared a link on Twitter today of Mr. Prakash Pore's interview on some TV channel where he has spoken in detail about this. So he said that if drugs are found on you, at the most, the cops can put you into rehab, but they cannot arrest you. They can only arrest you if you're doing a business of drugs. So the fact that he's been arrested, I don't think that was very right. If he has not consumed and if they were not found on him, two things. And secondly, you know, in these kinds of cases, I feel and we all know what Shah Rukh had said on the show. So I think it's the father who's more responsible. और अगर ड्रग्स की चैट के लिए, ड्रग्स के लिए इतने सारे लोगों को अरेस्ट करना है और रेड डालनी है वगैरह वगैरह, पूरी दुनिया जानती है, खुले आम जानती है कि रणवीर सिंह, रणवीर कपूर, ये लोग दोनों कितना ड्रग्स लेते हैं. उसके अलावा कितने सारे एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस के नाम हम लोग जानते हैं. पॉलिटिशियन का नाम हम जानते हैं जो खुले आम लेता है. वो परमवीर का बेटा, उसका तो फोटोग्राफ है मुंह के अंदर ड्रग्स पकड़ के, you know, he has that pill on his tongue, both of these, this politician and that Paramveer Singh son. And who was that person? Somebody in Nagpur. So Aryan got bail. Shah Rukh had made some deal with the central agency so that he can... is that a question or is that a statement? That Aryan has gotten bail, or are you asking that if Shah Rukh pays, then Aryan will get bail? Because I don't think that this man is easy to please. I don't think he is going to be the kind of man to take a bribe. If anybody tries to bribe him, he will literally arrest them and put them in jail, because bribery is a crime. Bribery is a crime. And so 2021, so in after his birthday is when somebody in his family may expire, and it would rather be December, January, February, March, April. So after May 2022, bail was agreed. Okay, the terms might be discussed tomorrow. Okay, so Prasenjit and Lifeline. After I finish this at 9:30, or I'll try and come earlier at 9 o'clock live with General Tarot for November. During that, I'm going to be asking and taking questions on COVID. I'm going to be taking questions on this Aryan case or whatever you want. So all your questions, save it. If you have not seen my numerology analysis for November, I think if you've seen it, you know, there are some questions that I have actually mentioned in that please remind me to ask this when I do the tarot. So, right, for 3 days only, fine. And 3 days में अगर याद है, मैंने पिछली बार जब लाइव किया था तो मैंने बोला था कि इसको यहाँ से स्मगल आउट कर देंगे बॉम्बे से बाहर, तो वो पॉसिबिलिटी है, लेकिन जब मैं टैरो करूंगी तो तब मुझसे पूछ लेना. तो अगर 3 दिन के लिए बेल मिला है तो ये he'll be smuggled out of this country. I think that's a possibility. And if he goes, the entire family will have to go. Simple as that. Okay. So I was saying that somebody in his family may pass away after May 2022. And as far as his promotion is concerned, he will get promotion in a couple of years. So it could be at the age of 46 or 47, which is 23, 24, 25. So say something like 25, 26, he may get promotion. And you know, एक चीज मेरे को बार बार आ रही है कि popular है that Sameer Wankhede is a we'll come to that, Lakshmi, when I do the tarot session. Let me finish Sameer Wankhede's numerology. I'll shut this session down, and 9, if I can do it at 9, otherwise 9:30, I will come back with the tarot session, and then you can ask me all these questions. So बार बार एक चीज दिमाग में आ रही है कि दुनिया के सामने जो इंट्रोवर्ट है, वो अंदर से अपनी फैमिली के साथ, अपने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स के साथ इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं है. वहां पे भले अपने काम के बारे में वो बात नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज दिस पर्सन इज वेरी सीक्रेटिव. इसके पेट में क्या है ये खुद को भी नहीं बोलता. ही कैन बी अ वेरी सीक्रेटिव पर्सन, एंड इफ ही इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, इफ यू टेल हिम अ सीक्रेट, इट विल रिमेन विथ हिम. And if he has to do something secretly, I mean, we all know the story of how that raid happened on the yacht. So he can really do it very well. So about that, and आगे जाके इसकी सिर्फ ग्रोथ है. Like I said, he is going to be promoted at 55. And after that, there is also a possibility that he may start his own business at a later stage. And so he is basically, he's a people's person. He loves to be around people. He loves to analyze them. He loves to, he likes to be in authority. He loves to be in authority. He has to, that is the way he shows his authority, by keeping quiet and maintaining that, aura that he has of self-respect. And he's changed a lot of posts and jobs, or a lot of things before he got into this this department, or probably in this department he has been, he's changed a lot of posts. On Saturday, what is that on Saturday? No, I'm talking about today, Prasenjit. Acha, you're saying that the terms will be for 3 days. That bail mila for Saturday. Okay, I'm not very clear what you're saying about Saturday. But no, I'm talking about the live that I'm going to do, the tarot live, I'm going to do right after this. So when I shut down this session, I will start that. So I know it's too much for one day, but this was about, okay, now coming to his astrology. Coming to his astrology, why did I say that he has a long life? First of all, his birthday, 14/12/1979, that tells me he has a long life. Secondly, his Saturn, if you remember when I did Sushant Singh's astrology, numerology, the first session that I did on something around 22nd or 24th of June last year, 2020. In that, I had mentioned that at that point, Saturn was in, now I did it based on the date of birth that I found. After that, I got another date of birth that he was not born in 86, but in 84. अमित, किसी को देश से बाहर स्मगल करने के लिए पासपोर्ट नहीं चाहिए, कॉन्टैक्ट्स चाहिए. कब वो सबमरीन में बैठ के या हेलीकॉप्टर में बैठ के कहां गायब हो जाएगा पता भी नहीं चलेगा. Okay, there is a lot more that you probably need to learn and understand about the underworld, about Dawood, about Dawood's contacts, about SRK's contacts. Understand one thing, to smuggle somebody, अगर कस्सब पाकिस्तान से, अगर वो पाकिस्तान से आया है और उसकी पूरी टीम इंडिया में स्मगल हो सकती है, तो इसको स्मगल करना कौन सा मुश्किल है? नहीं. Okay, so what I was saying is about Sushant Singh's chart. When I had done, I had mentioned that his Saturn is looking at the 8th house, so he has a long life. इसके तो 8th house में ही Saturn बैठा है. अरे why Nepal? He can go to Gateway of India, take a yacht from there, dressed up as a Kohli or something, go to Mud Island, take a yacht from there, go to some other city and get passport, transported from there. It's not difficult. Yes, the पैसा, मतलब समीर वानखेड़े ने पैसा नहीं खाया या वो नहीं खा रहा, लेकिन बाकी के डिपार्टमेंट में या किसी पॉलिटिशियन को पैसा खिलाने में कितनी देर लगती है? सारे पॉलिटिशियन ऐसे थोड़ी आर्यन को के फेवर में खड़े हुए हैं. वो लोग सब तो इतना खुले आम मीडिया पे आर्यन के फेवर में बोल रहे हैं, तो फिर जाहिर सी बात है कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो फेवर किया होगा ना शाहरुख खान ने उनके लिए, या और दे एक्सपेक्ट अ फेवर. सो एनीवे, तो मैं ये कह रही थी कि इसके तो 8th हाउस में जो वर्गो है वहां पे शनि बैठा हुआ है. He, like, if you remember what I just said a few minutes back, that he wanted to take up what his father used to do as a child. He had that dream, following in his father's footsteps. It is confirmed by the astrological chart. His ascendant is Aquarius. It has a Ketu there. His 10th house has Sun and Mercury. So he expresses himself through his work. His work is very important, and he is very good with analysis, with the moon sitting in the 8th house. Now, moon in the 8th house and Ketu in your ascendant makes you a very analytical person. 21st July 1984. Okay, Parth, I'll do that very soon. Yes, I was thinking about it, but I just been so busy that I couldn't do the new chart based on the new date of birth that Vibhor announced. I will do it. I'll do it soon. Just WhatsApp me that detail. मैं भूल जाऊंगी. और टाइम तो हमें सबको पता है 11:30 बजे था सुशांत का, तो ये मुझे WhatsApp कर देना, मैं करके I'll come live soon. Okay, soon मतलब give me a few days. दिवाली निकल जाने दो. So when you have Ketu in your ascendant and when you have moon in your 8th house, you are a person who's observant, who's analytical, who's secretive, and you're very good with the department he is in. So the agencies, RAW, एनसीबी, सीबीआई, इसको सीबीआई में क्यों नहीं डालते? सीबीआई में भी तो कोई नया ऑफिसर आया था ना, वो कौन था? कोई तो आया था और बॉम्बे, अच्छा नहीं, वो बॉम्बे का कमिश्नर था, वो मुझे ठीक नहीं लगा था। मैंने जब when I saw his picture and his date of birth, no, okay, but Samir Wankhede, he's good. Now he has Rahu in the 7th house, which says that, and he has Jupiter and Mangal. Now whenever you have Jupiter somewhere, you have Jupiter in the 7th house, you will get married at least twice. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जुपिटर अगर 10th हाउस में बैठा है तो बाप दो है, लेकिन हो सकता है कि उसके अंदर कोई मिस्ट्री हो. ओके, सो बेसिकली इट जस्ट मीन्स दैट योर फादर इज वेरी is your guru. Okay, and Mars is also in his 7th house, which speaks about Moon in the 8th, Mars in the 7th, speaks about what a passionate person he is in life. Sorry. So it just speaks about what a passionate person he is in life. And he has Venus in the 11th house. So I feel his wife is his best friend. And he may have a couple of best friends who are females. I don't think बीवी के अलावा बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी कोई best friends होंगी, but his wife is definitely his best friend, and we can see that with whatever is happening on, the social media and the media and all that. Now, the aspects that are happening, I'm not going to go into details, but basically people had a question that they were not some people felt that, there was, उसपे एक इल्जाम लगा था कि उसने 10 करोड़ मांगे. No, I don't think so. I absolutely don't think so, because his wife is very lucky for him. He has a lot of money. He has a lot of savings. He has a luxurious life. And उसके पास investments, शायद property भी काफी कुछ है. उसका पेट भरा हुआ है. इतने बड़े केस में, इतने बड़े नाम के साथ इस तरह की हरकत करके वो अपना नाम खराब करने की गलती नहीं करेगा. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि वो शायद उसने ब्राइब ली हो. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि ये और केसेस में ब्राइब लेता होगा. I'll tell you something. जो मैंने सुना है, I don't know how far this is true. मैंने सुना है कि इन एजेंसीज में, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में और मिलिट्री में, if you want a higher post, you have to pay in crores, lakhs and crores, unless you are exclusive with your work. If your work is good, it speaks for you, then that's another story. But people who जो बेईमान लोग हैं, वो लोग पैसा देके पोस्ट ले सकते हैं और आप पीछे रह सकते हो. तो I don't know, I don't think कि वो बेईमान है, पर क्योंकि his Saturn is very strong, and his Jupiter is also, in Leo, which is also very strong. So no, I don't think कि वो बेईमान है. और हाँ, वो सीक्रेटिव है. अगर उसने कुछ गलत काम करना है, वो करके निकल जाएगा. शायद उसके मरने के बाद पता चलेगा, इस तरह से. लेकिन इस केस में नहीं, I don't think so. Overall speaking, I think he is a nice person, as long as we're getting some kind of justice for Sushant, be it even from the point of view of NCB. It doesn't matter, as long as we get justice. It's 76 in public domain. A link of video is there in which SR himself said his mother died in 92 and he was 16 years. And if you calculate itself, it's Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Okay, 76. मैंने बोला था एक बार कि मुझे सुशांत 84, 86 नहीं लगता. I think वो बहुत पहले का है. Yes, I agree, Suresh. I do not think Sameer will take a bribe. याद है somebody I had mentioned in one of my lives that somebody on Twitter had told me that my brother was 1 year junior to Sushant and that was the year, and वो उस हिसाब से कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से उस वक्त जब मैंने 76 बोला था तो सब लोग मुझे मतलब everybody got upset with me कि नहीं, I have seen it. Okay, you can share the link on my WhatsApp. But at that point, I had said that he looks, even his looks, look-wise also, you know, he doesn't look like 84 or 86. But okay, I'll try out both. I've been in touch with a couple of astrologers, and since a couple of months, I've been trying to tell them to come and speak about Sushant's chart. So there are certain people जो आपकी जिंदगी देख के आपके बर्थ डेट को कंफर्म करते कि वो सही है या नहीं है, लेकिन पता नहीं क्या बात है कि कोई सुशांत के बारे में एस्ट्रोलॉजर बात ही नहीं करना चाहता. पता नहीं क्यों. Nobody is willing to do it. I don't know. Okay, मुझे अगर उतनी आती तो मैं ही कर लेती, पर उतनी आती नहीं, पर जितनी भी आती है ठीक है कर लूंगी. Anyway, this was about Sameer Wankhede, and I will come back at, since it is 8, I think I will come back at 9, so we can finish off early. Thank you so much, Instagram, and thank you so much, YouTube. I'll come back at 9. And if you've seen my numerology video, note down the questions, whatever questions you have, even for tarot, for COVID, Aryan's case, Sameer, whatever questions you have, ask me in tarot. Let's complete this session there. Bye. See you soon.